This Monday Market Minute is different than the normal Monday Market Minutes that I do. It's actually going to be a lot longer than a minute, so hang on, don't despair. I've got some great information that I'm going to share with you today. So back on August 7th, 2023, I did a comparative video of the average sale price and number of sales in Newtown, Connecticut for the first 6 months of the years 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Today, I'm doing a similar comparative video. However, rather than doing it for 6 months, I'm doing it for the full year. So let's go. Back in 2020, we had 555 sales for the entire year, and we had an average sale price of $442,129. This is our starting point. In 2021, we had 501 sales, so the number of sales decreased by 54, and our average sale price went up to $538,122. In 2022, our number of sales for the year came down to 346. However, the average sale price went up another almost 40,000 from the year before to $579,719. 2023, we had 309 sales. That is a 246 sale unit difference from 2020. And our average sale price is up to $625,419. So all of this information comes from the Smart MLS, and I also put a link to the video for the video that I did back in August in the description. So between 2020 and 2023, the average sale price in Newtown went up a little bit more than 41%. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.